Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best high leverage Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Leverage in the highly competitive world of Forex trading can either work for you or against you. For traders who want to be successful in the world of Forex, they will have to understand the global markets and the basics of trading. Leverage is one of the first things every beginner trader will need to learn more about. What is this leverage and how can it be used to maximize profits? Forex brokers may offer leverage ranging from 1 to 5 to 1 to 1,000. In some cases, it may be more, and traders will need to decide which leverage is best suited for them. Leverage is an extremely important part of every trader's successful trading strategy, and investors apply it to increase the potential profits from instabilities in exchange rates between any two currencies. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best high leverage Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best high leverage Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXPro. FXPro is an online, fully regulated financial broker that was founded in 2006. With its head office located in the United Kingdom, FXPro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution. With no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CySEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FXPro specializes in services and trading through Forex, share dealing, spot indices, futures, spot metals, and spot energy trading. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FXPro Ctrader, and the FXPro trading platforms, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a Ctrader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic and Demo accounts. FXPro currently offers a maximum leverage of 1 to 200, however conditions may vary depending on your region. FXPro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXPro. At number 4 on our list is City Index. City Index is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. City Index offers traders the ability to trade on over 12,000 instruments, covering indices, shares, Forex, cryptos, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on City Index's web and mobile trader platforms, as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Demo, Personal, Premium, Professional, Self-Managed Super Fund accounts, corporate accounts, partnership accounts, as well as individual and joint accounts, with competitive pricing, access to educational materials, negative balance protection, 24-hour trading support, and more. City Index also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into introductions to the financial markets, technical analysis, a variety of helpful educational videos, guides in risk management, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational material with City Index. Coming in at number 3, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, higher leverage, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 2 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is an online fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, higher leverage, over 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental, technical, and analytical panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education with Tickmill. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best high-leverage Forex brokers, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. As OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker, specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Ctrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Ctrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, higher leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. And those are some of the top 5 best high-leverage Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.